Good morning. I want to spend this time this morning providing you with an update on where we are with our vaccine response in St. Louis County. All decisions have been made through the lens of equity, meaning that resources are going to where they are needed the most. Our vaccination events and outreach programs and partnerships with community groups highlight that approach. To date, our Department of Public Health has administered more than 170,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccine, with our biggest location by far being the John C. Murphy Health Center in Berkeley. On May 16th, in North County, we launched an exhaustive effort to partner with churches, businesses, libraries, and nonprofits to offer neighborhood vaccination clinics. In the 100 days since then, we have conducted 133 neighborhood vaccination clinics in 78 locations, all of them, or most of them, in North County. Our biggest single neighborhood event to date has been the JFK Community Center in Florissant, where we partnered with the Hispanic Leaders Group and administered 141 doses. And I'd like to stop here for just a moment and direct your attention to this heat map that should be popping up on your screen. The purple pens indicate 14 vaccine clinics the health department has scheduled for the next week, beginning today. The blue and red circle areas represent where neighborhood clinics have been held and the number of doses given in those areas. And we're happy to share this slide with the press immediately after. To make these clinics possible, we've partnered with more than 70 businesses and other organizations. And since February, we have hosted bi-weekly meetings with community leaders, mostly in North County, where they have long-standing health disparities. In mid-July, the Department of Public Health launched a beauty and barbershop initiative, as well as a faith-based project aimed at 20 churches in North County. And to date, our health department staff have visited 35 beauty shops and barbershops, talking with proprietors about our vaccine initiatives. As a result of those efforts, DPH has distributed 1,155 flyers and 66 posters regarding COVID-19 vaccinations. These business owners are proving to be great partners in getting the word out about the safety of vaccines and where to get them. We provided 35 boxes of face masks and more than 200 bottles of hand sanitizer as part of these efforts. And the shops have now started requesting vaccine events via the revivestl.com website. We're excited about this growing partnership. It's one of the many that we've actively built as we continue our efforts to get more people vaccinated. And we know that working closely with the community is paying off. From June 25th to August 20th, the vaccination rates grew the fastest in zip codes located in North County. The largest increase was in zip code 63140, up 9.5% in 8 weeks. We saw similar increases in our 6 most vulnerable zip codes, also in North County. In 63133, we have seen an 8.5% increase. In 63134, the rate has increased 8%, and in 63135, the rate has jumped 7.9%. In 63136, we've seen a 9.3% increase. And for 63137, a 7.4% increase, and in 63138, 8.7%. All of these zip codes saw an 8.2% increase in the past 8 weeks, compared to the countywide increase of 6.3%. It's good to see these numbers, but we still have much work to do, and we'll continue to do all we can to keep our residents safe. Let's keep it up, St. Louis County. Masks and vaccines are our way out of this pandemic. And I'd be glad to take any questions.
Do you have the data yet on the Pfizer being fully approved? Do you have any numbers yet with those?
What do you mean by data?
If the numbers have gone up at all?
Oh, yes. So the question is about the announcement 2 days ago that the Pfizer vaccine was officially approved by the FDA. And over the past 48 hours, it's really too soon to track the impact of that. But we can track the conversations and the excitement around it. And I can tell you that the conversations in the community have changed a bit, recognizing that one of the reasons for hesitancy was concerns that the vaccine had not been officially approved and only had emergency authorization. But since we're past that hurdle, we've seen a lot more interest in the community about getting vaccinated. A lot of people who were previously hesitant have called, and it's even a topic among our many, many partnerships in the community about vaccine access and interest, and recognizing that the vaccine is safe and free and easy to get in St. Louis County. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.